Okay, this is a test after 48 hours of running this Insignia freezer and this GE fridge freezer on the solar generator. Everything is on and it's fully packed. And let's look at the amount of percentage that we have on the battery. I don't know if you can see that. 69%. And this is a full 48 hours of running the solar generator. And once again, this is a 500 amp hour system. I have one 200 amp hour battery connected to another 300 amp hour battery. And this is what 48 hours looks like. Let's see that percentage again. Come on, zoom in. 69% of the battery was used. That's not bad for 48 hours.